What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and look, I'm riding the Blue Accent for the first time in forever. I'm riding today is about 54 degrees. Actually, it's kind of funny because the other day I was talking to Joshua from Sick Chicken Sandy's, and when he posted a video that he went out riding his fat bike at 14 degrees, I was like, man, dude, if it's over 60 over here in South Texas, I don't go out. I usually do my indoor trainer. But let's go to the chase. But before I tell you what because I have a question for y'all guys. I have a question for you. I'm dealing with something with this Blue Accent right now. Before I tell you, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on. Also, check the affiliate links in the description below if you would like to support the channel. Other than that, let's get right into the chase. So as you guys know, I got this Blue Accent back in November from the guy that I sold it to. I got it for a really good deal because he upgraded to a Trek Marlin. I think it was a Marlin 8, something like that. And the only thing that I did to it since I got it was putting the Bucklos fork that I had on the taff and these grips. And I got my painted stem cap back from my son's bike and put it back in here. Other than that, I haven't done anything else to it at all. And the thing is that I'm riding it for the first time since November. I have always felt, since I got it back and I put this fork back on, I felt the direction, the steering a little bit tight. So I've been playing with loosening it up, putting it back on, and just normal adjustment. Like this is not my first fork, of course, but I felt that. But the thing is that today, as I'm riding, I noticed something kind of weird. So as I'm riding, I feel it like really tight, especially like I feel like it's getting locked up. I don't know if it's heavy. I haven't used these tires since I got it for the first time. If you have the stock tires on the Accent, please let me know if it's something normal, if it feels like that, because I don't remember it like that ever. None of my other bikes does this, so like it feels like really stiff, like if it wants to get straight up all the time. And I even right now on the paved road just now, I let go of the handlebars and just ride freely, you know. And I felt like it wanted to turn to the right, like I lost equilibrium. But I know how to ride like that, and every time I did it, it felt like it was moving to the right. So I have no idea what's going on. If y'all had a similar problem like that, like literally it feels like it wants to pull to the right. It wants to. This is my right, so it wants to pull to this side a little bit. It feels like when I'm riding it with my hands on the handlebar, it feels like it wants just want to go straight. But when I did let the handlebars go, both sides, it felt like it wanted to go this way, like a little bit to my right, this way. I don't know, something that I might consider, but I don't know. The spokes, but they don't seem to be super tight. I mean, they just seem normal. Brakes, they're not rubbing. I have no idea what can it be, guys. So if one of you has experienced this before, please let me know down in the comments below, or send me a message down on Instagram if you have experienced something like this, something similar. It feels super weird, super weird. Alright, so a little bit more information about the issue. I just wrote a little bit more. So even when I lean a little bit to the left, it wants to get right back up and lean right. So no matter what I'm doing, it wants to lean to the right. Help. I do have a bunch of parts that I'm gonna put in on this bike, but I wanna know what's going on with this. I'm gonna keep troubleshooting, but if you have experienced something like this, again, please let me know. It'll help me out a lot. And other than that, that was just a quick video. That's it for this one, guys. Affiliate links in the description below. I have an affiliate tree link now, so with pictures of all the different stuff that I have. So check that out. Let me know if you like it. And other than that, that's it for this one, and let's ride.